Do you have broken plastic parts that you want to repair? Polyvance's 5700 HT Mini-Weld Model 7 is the most versatile plastic welder on the market for light-duty repair work on virtually any popular plastic material. The Mini-Weld Model 7 comes with 8 different kinds of plastic welding rod which match today's most common plastics on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, kayaks, canoes, outdoor equipment, and virtually anything made of plastic. With Polyvance's Model 7 welder, you'll be able to repair plastic bumpers, headlight tabs, fan shrouds, radiator tanks, windshield washer bottles, inner fender liners, motorcycle fairings, ATV fenders, and more. The Model 7 features a variable temperature control that is essential for welding heat-sensitive plastics like urethane and ABS. It comes with 2 welding tips, one for the round welding rods and one for the flat FiberFlex sticks. FiberFlex is a universal welding rod that sticks to any plastic, but is designed to work best on problem plastics like polypropylene and TPO bumpers. It has carbon and glass fiber reinforcement for strength and flexibility, and a sandable filler for a fine feather edge when finishing. When you don't know what kind of plastic you're working with, FiberFlex will work most of the time. The Model 7 is the only airless welder in the world that comes with polyurethane welding rod. This is essential for repairing vintage bumpers from the 80s and 90s and the more expensive bumpers of today's Porsches, Corvettes, and Dodge Vipers. Without Polyvance's products and expertise, many of these expensive and rare bumpers would be in landfills today. In addition to polyurethane and FiberFlex, the Model 7 features ABS, polyethylene, polypropylene, TPO, nylon, and polycarbonate welding rods. Each welder comes with a piece of our stainless steel wire mesh. This can be cut to size and embedded in the plastic, like rebar in concrete, to reinforce your repair on thermoplastic parts. Most importantly, the Polyvance Mini-Weld Model 7 comes with the backing and support of Polyvance,